this recording, which is the team sharing feature, which will allow two or more students to work on the same Wixie project at the same time. So here I have this computer, and my friend Wyatt is logged into it, and over here to the left, I have another computer, and my friend Lauren is logged into that one. So note the fancy name tags. Alright, so I'm going to come over to this computer, Wyatt's computer, and I'm going to open up this project by double clicking on it. And now I'm going to go to this team button, and then what you see here are all the students that are in the same class as Wyatt. So it allows him to share with anyone that's in his class according to SIS. So I want to share it with Lauren. I'm going to come down here and find her name. Notice that the names are listed alphabetically by first name, and click from no to yes. And now it has the owner, which is Wyatt, okay, and this kid says you. And then I have Lauren added as a teammate. So I'm going to come and click OK. Now I'm going to go over here to Lauren's computer. And you notice that she's looking at her projects. It doesn't appear right away. That's because you have to come and click the refresh button. Whoops, there it is. Actually, I was going to click refresh, but there it showed up. So if you click refresh, you may get it a little bit faster. Now notice there's the number 2 on this project. What that means is that 2 students are now working simultaneously, Wyatt and Lauren. Had Wyatt decided to share it with more, then it would say 3, 4, and so on. So I'm going to double click here on Lauren's computer and open up Wyatt's project that they're now working on together. And as I pan back here, you can see that it's showing up on both of their screens. Now, since this has been shared with Lauren, I'm going to demonstrate here how to make changes to it. I'm going to go over into the library, and I'm going to add a sticker of another camel. So I'm going to type in the word camel. Click search. And then I'm going to add this one right here with a rider on top. And then notice that it appears on Lauren's computer. But what about Wyatt's? Aha! So now it's on Wyatt's too, and you can see obviously they're working on the project together. Now if Lauren were to make a change on the screen, watch as I let go, then the same change takes place on Wyatt's computer. Pretty cool, huh? Alright, so I wouldn't suggest necessarily the students working on the same screen at the same time. You know, that might get a little bit messy. It certainly would with 3 different students, right? So one thing you might consider is just having them assign pages. So I'm going to add a page here, okay? And then now notice that there are 2 pages. So when I come over here from single page view to multiple page view, I can see that there are 2 pages to work on. And when I go back on this computer, okay, so Lauren might continue to work on this page, and then Wyatt might be working on this page. I'll just add a little text here to denote that Wyatt could be working on this page. Or if you had more students, you had 3 students working on it, assign pages and so on, just like you would with a Google slideshow. Okay, you get the idea. So a couple things here to note of importance, that in a Google slideshow or project, if anyone who has it shared among them can able to add other students. Okay, so but if I go over to Lauren's computer and I go to team and she tries to share, she can't. That's because she's not the owner. All right, so just something to note there of importance, that only the owner of the project can invite other users to help edit.